Hey guys, new flooring back in the flooring experience. Sledding like crazy. I'm gonna go sledding down this road of ice, and it looks like I'm already moving. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! That was incredible! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! What the crap? Oh my gosh! That was amazing! Let's do that again. That was fun. This time we're gonna go farther. Come on. Right here. Perfect. That's where I was. Now I went over there. Now I'm right here. I don't know where I'm going to go, but I can tell you that for sure. The ice will do. Look at all that sleet. It looks like snow, but it's sleet. Oh, looks like salt. Here I go. Woo! Whoa! Where am I going? Where am I going? Whoa! No, I'm going too fast! No! No! The cliff, I'm gonna fall off. Okay, bye Mom. I'm saved. Bye.